Voxi Mobile Review. Today we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Unlimited social media usage. Voxi includes unlimited data on popular social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Twitter, and TikTok with all its plans. Social media access won't impact monthly data limits, making Voxi ideal for frequent social media users. 5G coverage on all plans. All Voxi plans include 5G access, enabling fast data speeds in major cities and select towns. This feature is especially valuable for users with 5G-compatible devices looking to take advantage of faster downloads and smoother streaming. No contract, monthly flexibility. Voxi operates on a 30-day rolling plan structure, so users aren't locked into long-term contracts. This flexibility is beneficial for students, freelancers, and anyone who values control over monthly expenses without credit checks. What are the cons? No inclusive EU roaming. While Voxi once included free EU roaming, roaming in Europe now incurs additional charges. Travelers looking for inclusive roaming options may need to consider alternative plans or add-ons. Online-only support. Customer service is exclusively online, with support provided via web chat or Voxi's website. Those who prefer phone-based customer support might find this setup limiting. No dedicated app. Voxi lacks a dedicated app, and users must manage accounts through an online portal. While the website is accessible and user-friendly, the absence of an app may be inconvenient for some. Let's talk about features. Coverage. Leveraging Vodafone's infrastructure, Voxi provides reliable UK-wide 4G and 5G coverage. Indoor connectivity is excellent due to the high-quality frequency bands Vodafone uses. With 5G available in over 141 locations, Voxi is suitable for urban users who want faster data speeds and strong signal coverage. Data speeds. Voxi offers solid performance in urban areas, achieving download speeds of up to 100 plus megabits per second on 4G and 126 megabits per second on 5G. Rural speeds tend to be slower, typically ranging from 10 to 30 megabits per second, which is sufficient for basic browsing and streaming, but may lag for high-demand applications. Wi-Fi and 4G calling. Voxi supports both Wi-Fi calling and 4G calling, enhancing call quality for users with weak cellular signals indoors. This feature ensures reliable communication even in areas where cellular coverage may be weaker. No credit check. Voxi's plans are open to everyone, with no credit check required. This inclusivity is beneficial for those with limited or poor credit history, making Voxi accessible to a wide range of users. Let's talk about pricing. Voxi's SIM-only plans are affordable and flexible, with no hidden fees or setup charges. Starting plan: £12 per month for 25 gigabytes of data, including 5G access and unlimited social media. Higher tier plan: £20 per month for 100 gigabytes of data, which also includes unlimited social media and 5G access. Voxi occasionally adjusts its rates, so staying updated with plan changes is recommended to secure the best value.